Good afternoon, everyone. Doing a little outdoor cooking, shooting, just generally having fun. I was going to do a breakfast this morning with a little frying pan, do pancakes. I sent somebody else some stuff here, and I said I'll get mine done for him, but we've just had a bad run of weather here. It has just poured the last few days. I guess it's poured everywhere across the country. But I got me some nice steak there. I want to fry up some steak. I've already fried up a couple pieces. And this is July 2nd. And last winter when I showed these two guns, that's the Thompson Center Renegade. I'm going to shoot that a couple times, got it cleaned up. I fired it already, so I know it works. And we'll try to get a little footage of that. Well, I'll get this on a tripod and maybe get a little footage of cooking some steaks here. And my little 3-inch frying pan, or 6-inch, or whatever it is. It's a small one, but it cooks good. You know, I can't say enough good things about those little Primus stoves, or whatever they are. They take that fuel. They are just an incredible little buy for the money. In other words, they work really good. Kind of a small frying pan, but it works good. It's easy to carry and it's still cast. I like to cook with cast. I've tried some light ones, you know. I don't know what I did in my fork, but it'll show up. I've got next one. Pot holder! Trust me, that gets hot. Man, that little stove works good. I should probably shut it down a little bit. Probably better shut that radio off or I'll get a copyright infringement again. Excuse me, I'm awful sorry. I've done that a couple times, forgot a radio in the background. And usually, you know, I mean, a lot of them don't say anything, and all of a sudden you get this copyright infringement thing that you're taking money away from somebody. I get 50 views on a video, which would net him about 1/100 of a cent, or the singer or the outfit that's complaining. Well, whatever, they should take it as free advertisement. But anyway, I've shot the Hawkins. This is the Renegade. I've got it cleaned up. I used sight. There was somebody had removed the rear sight and they put a scope mount on it, and it had a rear sight made on it, which I didn't like, but I'm starting to like a whole lot better. And in a minute here we'll get this loaded up and we'll get a couple shots of it. It came out real good, polished up good, the stock was good, the barrel feels good to me. I don't have a problem with it. Today we're just playing, we're not real serious with it. I probably should turn that heat down a little bit. Yeah, sounds good. Well, when that gets cooked up, I'll turn you on and show you what it looks like. Cooking some steaks, the little cast iron frying pan, and then they come out really good. And we're words of the great Bill Gowdy. Look at the goodness. We'll have just a little touch of that on there. I won't sit here and make you watch me eat. Yes, I will. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay. Get the powder measure. I think it's set on 70. I'm not shooting a lot of powder in it. More of a test. They gave me that little bit of powder there. And that little container works so good for storing it. I don't use a funnel, I just dump it down the barrel. Next we need a catch. I thought I had some out in the but so don't. I'm just using the cloth cotton patches, Hoppy's number 9 black powder patches. I'm single patching, I'm not double patching. Seems to be working alright for what I want to do. That's boar butter. Wipe it around there a little bit. Me years ago, I used to buy a bunch of patches that were, ouch, needles are biting, that were pre-lubed with that stuff. I had a Hawkins years ago, and I swapped it off. I don't know. Whoops. I don't see any need to double or triple patch here. You see they go down pretty tight as is. Just cap her up. We'll carefully bring the camera over here, and I'll try to do it very slow. You know, the way to watch a black powder gun shoot I think it probably has me a hole. Right head on. I'll shut you off now.